add water to your boil the water. I already drank almost half of my cup. Let's go. My mom saw that I made chai halif, so she said that I also make her one because she wants one too. Okay. It's okay because I enjoy making it. It's so easy and fun to do. I don't know. The cup. But this time I won't be using the like mini cup. I don't know what you call it, but yeah. This would be like a manual thing. So all you need is an evaporated milk and green tea. That's all I know. Here's how you actually do it without aesthetic. So you'll put the tea there and add half cup of water. I don't know how to show it, but yeah. Put like a half cup of water here. And then you don't really need to hit this one off. I just wanted to use the cup earlier, that's why I heated it, but you don't really need to. So if you're like lazy, this is very easy to do. Ta-da! And then just add sugar and you're done. I just made things complicated earlier because I wanted to be aesthetic and whatever, but actually it takes you like 1 minute to do this. And I'm back. So as you can see, my room's a bit messy today, especially those part and my desk. So today I plan to clean my room because my desk looks horrible. There's books everywhere, but before that I'll finish my chai halif. Here's wait. Why does it keep going down? Here's how my room looks like. It's kind of messy around there, and like my bed is also kind of messy. The only thing that's not messy is my shelves, because I don't really do anything to them. But yeah, and that side of the room is also messy, especially my desk. So we'll be cleaning those. Yeah, I'll show them to you. So here is the other side of my room. Looks like a mess. I mean, it's not really organized and everything, and I have like different stuff on my desk. Yeah, so here's what we're working with today. Things that I found from my jewelry box. I don't think these are real golds, but yeah, I found some bracelets and a lot of bobby pins, and then some chains. This is a duck, or I don't know, I think this one's a duck, but yeah. has some necklace on her neck. But yeah, have multiple rings here, but I'm pretty sure those aren't real gold. So here's how it looks like now. Ta-da! And yeah, so we move on to my dresser part. Everything in my dresser, I mean the insides of my dresser, is now fine. The only problem is like the top part and these stuff right here. I need to find place for them. Okay, so I'm planning to move this table there at the corner so that I'll be putting my mirror here, and yeah, I think it'll look more neat if I put this one there at the corner, so we'll see. everyone! Today is Saturday and we're here today, seaside, and my parents are attempting to find clams. So yeah, I'll just wait here and see if they could find one and then join them if there really is one. But yeah, for now I'm just chilling here at our car and yeah, thinking of my thesis topic because haven't thought about that yet, but doing great. So I guess this one's gonna be needed. So in the end, I decided to go with them because it seemed fun. Yeah, it's fun. But for now, they only got 2. And I hope to catch one too. Let's go.
Yeah, another one.
Oh, there's another. Okay, bye.